Cryptocurrencies have been demonstrating very erratic behaviors in the last couple of days. The market been moving up and down. In the last 1 week, we have seen a total crash in almost all the altcoins in existence. Today, we have over 10,000 cryptocurrencies, and the current market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is at around $1.6 trillion. Welcome. My name is Daniel, and today we will be discussing about Polkadot, the current price and the future price predictions. Polkadot presently is at number 8 in the cryptocurrency market capitalization website. You can see it over here. The present price of Polkadot is around $22.88. These are 51% decrease in the last 7 days. Polkadot has decreased similar to all other cryptocurrencies. If you can see, Cardano has been down 40%, Binance Coin has been down 45%, and all others, even Bitcoin has been down 22%, Ethereum 40%. But it appears as if Polkadot is the one that has been hardly hit. It's been down 51.06%, but we are seeing in the last 24 hours it's been trying to increase. It's been up 3.96%. So basically all cryptocurrencies have in the last couple of days been hard hit by different kind of happenings that are taking place in the world of cryptocurrencies. Today I want us to dive down into the Polkadot coin and see what it is it planning to do, what is Polkadot, what solution is it bringing the world today. So Polkadot, it was developed sometime in 2017, and since it has seen high increase in price. If you can try look at these graphs over here. At around 12th of September 2020, one dot was trading at around $4.5. It continued increasing, and at around January 2021, January 18th to be specific, one dot was trading at 17.9 USD. The coin kept on increasing in value. There are many reasons why this has been so. And on February 21st, one dot was trading at around 38 USD. This was a huge increase from what was happening 1 year earlier. Polkadot was trading at around let's see right here. This is right there. So one dot was trading at this on the 17th of April. One dot was trading in excess of 43 USD, and Polkadot saw an all-time high. Its all-time high was on May 15th. On May 15th, the one dot was trading at around 48 USD. Since Polkadot has seen a total crashed from 48 USD to the present. It went to as low as $16.17 on May 23rd. That's around 3 days ago. 3 days ago, or 2 days ago, or after 2 days ago, around 48 hours ago, one dot saw its lowest trading for almost a year, and that was at around $16. The present price of Polkadot is around 21.81 USD. But basically we need to understand what is this Polkadot coin and why has it become so famous. It has seen ups and downs. So the dot price live data. So this is data showing us what is happening in the Polkadot network in the last 24 hours. The live Polkadot price today is 21.7 USD. with a 24-hour trading volume of around $3.7 billion. Polkadot is up 7.08% in the last 24 hours, and it is position 9. In the last 24 hours, it was position 9, but now it has since moved to position 8. And the live market cap is at around $20 billion. $20 billion. It has a circulating supply of about $1 billion. So the total number of Polkadot coins in circulation is around $1 billion. So what is Polkadot? What is Polkadot? Polkadot is an open source multi-chain protocol that facilitates cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just tokens, thereby making a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. That is, you can have a blockchains exchanging data and information one to another. This interoperability seeks to establish a fully decentralized and private web controlled by its users, and simply the creation of new applications, institutions, and services. So that is Polkadot. Polkadot's native coin. The native coin in the Polkadot network is called DOT, the DOT token. It serves three main purposes: providing network governance and operations, and creating parachains or parallel chains by bonding. Polkadot has four core components. It has four main components. The first one is relay chain. Relay chain is the heart of the Polkadot network. It allows interoperability and a shared security across the network of the different coins. Then from the relay chains, we have the parachains. Parachains are independent chains that can have their own tokens and be optimized for specific uses. The relay chain is like the heart of the Polkadot network. Then the parachains are almost independent chains or independent blockchains, if you may want. Then you have parathreads. The parathreads, they are similar to parachains, but with flexible connectivity based on an economic pay-as-you-go model. Bridges allows parachains and parathreads to connect and communicate with external blockchain like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the rest. So the bridges allows the Polkadot network to have the capability, using the parachains and the parathreads, to be in a position to communicate with outside world or outside blockchains. As you may have noticed, all blockchains are made in such a way that they are independent. They do not communicate, they do not interrelate. But one of the main solutions that Polkadot is bringing into the market is the ability of all the different blockchains being able to communicate, to share data, to share value, even to have cross blockchain asset transfer, so that you can have Bitcoin being passed to Ethereum to Ripple and what have you, and all these is going to happen using the Polkadot network. Who are the founders of the Polkadot network? Polkadot was founded by the Web 3.0 Foundation. It's a Swiss foundation founded to facilitate the fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web as an open source project. It was founded by Dr. Galvin Wood. He was the founder of Polkadot. He is one of the co-founders of Ethereum blockchain, and also he was the inventor of the main Ethereum coding language called Solidity. That is Dr. Galvin Wood. So what makes Polkadot unique? Polkadot is a multi-chain network, meaning it can process many transactions on several chains in parallel that are called parachains. This parallel processing power improves scalability. So because of the parachains and the ability of Polkadot to have multi-chain transactions, makes it extremely scalable. This makes it one of the most scalable blockchains that we have out there. Custom blockchains are quick and easy to develop through the Substrate framework and can be connected to Polkadot network within minutes. The network is also highly flexible and adaptive, allowing the sharing of information and functionality between participants, similar to applications on a smartphone. Polkadot can automatically upgrade without the need of forks in order to implement new features or remove bugs. So how many dots tokens are there in circulation? Polkadot currently has an allocation of around 1 billion dots tokens. This follows a network redenomination that took place sometime last year. That was on 21st of August 2020. Polkadot experienced a redenomination. Redenomination was undertaken purely to avoid the use of small decimals and make circulation easier. While all balances were increased by a factor of 100, this did not impact the distribution of dots to holders. So the redenomination did not really impact the Polkadot network as it were. It just simply was meant to remove the small decimals that existed and make the transactions and trading in Polkadot easy. Yes, how is the Polkadot network secured? Polkadot mass interoperability through a set of common validators help to secure its multiple blockchains and allow them to scale their transactions by spreading their data across many chains. This is one of the many ways that are used to secure the Polkadot network. The network uses the nominated proof of stake mechanism to select validators and nominators and maximize chain security. So the use of the nominated proof of stake mechanism that allows validators and nominators to secure the chain or the network makes it very secure. So the question is, if you'd want to invest or buy some Polkadot, where would you buy? And it's also important to note that all the information you're getting from this video is not financial advice whatsoever. It cannot be taken as financial advice. So if you do want to buy Polkadot or any other cryptocurrencies, you are required to do your due diligence and discover or decide which coins to invest in. So these are some of the markets or some of the places where you can buy the dot coin. The first one is Binance. Binance, Huobi Global. If you can see, we have three different Binance. This is because we have there is a Binance Global, there is Binance Uganda, and Binance USA. That's why we have three different Binances. You might be confused and wonder, why do we have three Binance markets? So you can buy DOT tokens from Binance, you can buy from Huobi Global, then you can get it from Get.io and Kraken. Binance is one of the largest markets in existence. That's one of the largest places you can buy cryptocurrencies in existence. So this is the Polkadot website. You can find quite a number of things about Polkadot. It says that it introduces true interoperability. Polkadot enables cross-chain transfer of any type of data or assets, not just tokens. Connecting to Polkadot gives you the ability to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchains in the Polkadot network. And economics and transactional scalability. Polkadot is a very scalable network, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. It's a blockchain innovations, forkless and future-proof security for everyone. These are some of the things some of the information you find on the Polkadot website. Governance, staking, bonding, you can look at all this, but I want us to spend a few moments and try to look at the prices of Polkadot. How is it behaving presently? So if you can look at these present or the live trading of the Polkadot versus USD, you're able to see. Let us zoom out. Maybe let's zoom out. Maybe in we zoom out 1 day. So every candlestick here indicates 1 day. So before one candlestick closes, it's a full complete day. This one allows us to have a complete view of what has been happening in the Polkadot versus USD markets. So at the present, you can see that the dot is trading at around 2.1 USD. The highest value it traded was around 48 USD. This was on the 15th of May. This was when Polkadot saw its highest price. So we want to see what has been happening really in these markets. So I want to introduce you can see here there was some support that developed. So let's see what happened. I'm trying to zoom out. See, there was some sort of support at this level. And notice support is it's a region but not a point. So that this was a region of support meaning the price of DOT versus USD tried to go beyond, but there was some support here, some support here, some support here. Then you can also try see and there was some level of resistance around this level. When it was trading at around that 9 USD, it experienced some resistance of sorts. The other resistance was at around this region right here. Around this region. We had some resistance right here. Then there was also some resistance, and actually this was the highest because after this level, the upward trend that had been there for many months actually reversed, and now we have seen the biggest reverse in the Polkadot market since. So if you can try it from this level, this was January 2021 when Polkadot was trading at around $16. See, there was a clear uptrend up to when it traded at its highest, and this took several months. Then from this level to the current, this was a sharp decline. This is when cryptocurrency market all crashed. All crypto coins experienced a dramatic crash at around let's see, I'm trying to do something right here. You can see from the 22nd to it was a period of less than 2 days, or the maximum 3 days. So while it took several months to get from $16, that was from around January, the last days of January, to April to May, to went from as low as $16 to the peak of $48. It only took 3 days to crash to as low as $16 again. This was a total crash. So this was a total crash. So the biggest question becomes, so where do we go from here? What is likely to happen in the Polkadot market? What are the most likely scenarios in the next couple of days? This is what I want us to try look at in the next couple of minutes, see whether we can decode something. Let's see what's likely to happen. Let me first of all get rid of this so you can have an uncluttered view. You're almost there. We're almost there. So I'm going to change the watch time here, and I will be looking at a 1 hour interval. We are looking at the daily interval. I'm going to zoom out so that you can have a clearer view of what is happening. So if you can see, let me zoom out again. You're right there. So we have some resistance developing right here. See, these are level of resistance. Let me try to draw a line. Can be clear. We have some resistance at this level. This is at around 29 USD. Then we have some level of support. Some level of support right here. Let me try again, draw another line to clear. You're right there. So you can see again we have some supports. This was a level of support at around this level, at around $23, and we can see now it is turning and becoming a resistance level. This was actually this has been today. Earlier today, Polkadot experienced some resistance right here. Let's, right there, that was some support, some resistance. I mean, this was some resistance and some support at the same time. Previously, it was a support, but now it's a resistance. So this is what is most likely to happen should the Polkadot manage to break out through this region. It is going to turn and stops being a resistance. Now it's going to be a support, and the next target level will be over here, the previous resistance level. This is at $29, so this is what we are targeting. And after, again, if it is able to break through this region, we expect there was some trading. Let's see right here, another line. We had another trading region over here. This was a level of support and resistance for quite some time. It was tested many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was tested very many times. So if Polkadot is able to break out through this region of resistance, it's going to be to experience another huge resistance at this level. This is at the regions of $40. And should Polkadot break this region, it is anticipated that in the next couple of months it's going to be trading in the region of 100 USD. So we anticipate that should Polkadot break this level of resistance right here, just do it right here. If we are able to get this coin break this level of resistance, then the next huge thing we expect is that Polkadot is going to trade in the ranges of 100 USD. That will be a huge move. Thank you so much for listening in. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share it. Comment below there so that we can have our videos rank and many people can get to see them. And thank you so much. You're most welcome.